Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with uZethu and uSifiso. uZethu is actually at uSifiso's yard. Now, how she got there, guys, remember the iskulane sikaZethu uMusa, who was apparently begagula ngengqondo or something like that esibhedlela. So last week's episode, Wednesday's episode, actually ended with uMusa coming to esibhedlela, and he held actually a pen against uMatron's neck as if he wanted to stab her or something like that. uZethu decided to pick up the phone and called uSifiso. uSifiso came in and saved the day, you guys. So uSifiso, after that, uSifiso took uMusa as his own patient because he noticed ukuthi uMusa unobizo. So when uZethu found out ukuthi hayibo ulokhuzana uMusa is now uSifiso's patient, she was irritated at that. So she goes over to uSifiso's house to go and confront him about that. But uSifiso can tell ukuthi hayibo le ndaba ayikho. You telling me you coming from all the way from your house, Zethu, to come and confront me over something that uMusa made his own decision to come and be like my patients underneath Indumbayam or something like that. So uSifiso goes over to uZethu. He holds her hand. He's about to kiss her, like to ask her, like to say in a way, but I know you here for me. So as they're about to kiss, guys, uMaNkwanyane opens the door. Kodwa ngelakhi uMaNkwanyana, because she's shouting at uVusi le endlini. She doesn't see them, and then they get an opportunity to move away from one another. So uMaNkwanyane aphumele ngaphandle, and she's like, Baba. uSifiso then says, uMaNkwanyane then says, "Cala ukhulume nobhuti wakho la endlini. Instead of yena enze umsebenzi wakhe wesikole, ubhizi upressana nefone." uSifiso just says, "How?" uVusi comes out, rushing out of the house. uVusi's like, "Bhuti, uyaphosisa. Ngicela ifone yami bandla maNkwanyane." uMaNkwanyane then says, "Ifone yakho uzoyenzani? Go back inside the house and do your schoolwork." uSifiso looks at uVusi and he's like, "Hamba wenza umsebenzi wakho wesikole wena. Awuzwa yini?" uVusi just looks at uSifiso. You can see by uSifiso khane sakhe isicathulo. uVusi looks at uZethu. He's like, "Sawubona sis." uZethu waves her hand, and then uVusi goes back in the house. uMaNkwanyane then says, "Unjani Zethu?" "Ngiyaxolisa bandla. Yazi, I didn't even hear you coming in. I'm busy ngilisana ney'ngane la endlini." uZethu then says, Ngiyaphila. Ngiyafika vele manje." uSifiso then says, "Yeah, you can see ukuthi it's awkward." uZethu then says, "Bengikade ngizobuza uMusa ngoSifiso." You can see she's tatazeling. She's not even hearing what she's saying. And she's like, I mean, uSifiso ngoMusa." uMaNkwanyane then says, "Oh, since you're here, okay, may I offer you something to drink?" uZethu then says, "Ngingakujabulela lokho kakhulu sis." uSifiso then says, "Yeah, mama, ijuice izoba right." uMaNkwanyane heads back in the house, and then you can see uSifiso and uZethu, they're breathing out heavily because I mean that was close, you guys. Anyway, next scene we see laphayana kwaHlongwane household. uZenzo ungaphansi kwemoto, busy fixing imoto while Unga is trying to help him. I guess uZenzo said because Unga akasebenzi, shuthi ke he is obliged to help uZenzo while he's busy ngokulungisa imoto. uZenzo then says kuNga, "Okay ke, manje connecta intambo ye-alternator kwi-battery izoduma manje." And then Unga then says, "I-alternator? Ini baba? I-alternator?" uZenzo just says, "Ish, yazini." He comes out of underneath the car. Uyambona nje ubhurekile ukuthi Unga doesn't know what he should be doing. Unga then says, "Ngiyaxolisa, angikuzwanga kahle baba. Bawuthi ngiconnecte ini?" uZenzo then says, "Yazi khona manje, if ngingathi asiyorobha ibhange njengamanje, ungayugijima laphayana. Kodwa uhluba yinto encane la emotweni." Unga then says, "Kodwa baba, I've been saying, angiwuthandi lo msebenzi. Yazi baba, ngiseyingane. Ulokhu ungitshela ngomakheniki, anginathandi yokhenika imoto baba." uZenzo then says, "Kwaze kwanzima ke." So how do you expect to make a living? Uzoziphilisa kanjani? Then says angazi baba, ngizobona iplani. Uzenza then says iplani nakho ngiyakunikeza lona. Mele ufunde mfanam. Yabana mina, I won't sit back and let a grown man with a full face of hair igwaqe izandla, ikhamise, ilindele iplate yokudla. Futhi ke angikutshele, forget about me paying you for namhlanje. Angeke ngikukhokhele. Letha la ispanel. Unga just looks at him like to say, like, why? Uba difficult kangaka baba. Uzenzo then says, let ispanere man. Unga fetches the spanere. He then says, nas ispanere baba. He then walks off. Uzenzo then says, Paul kabanguchu yapi. Unga then says, how baba? Angwazi ukusebenza kanje mina. Uzenzo then says, usebenza kanjani? Usebenzeni. Akho msebenzi owenzile lana. Then says, ukhuluma nami ngathi angilutho. Hayi mina ngiyahamba. He just walks off. Uzenzo like, yay, wengaraje. Buya la, uyaphi manje? Garaje. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see uMaNkwanyane, guys. She brought ingane yakhe ekliniki to Uzethu. Uzethu, when she sees uMaNkwanyane, obviously, guys, uyatatazela because she knows she is busy kissing this lady who is so nice to her, this lady's husband. So Uzethu then, she's checking ingane. She's like, she's using that device, guys, the one they put as fubeni, and then the doctor listens to your heart, and then she's like, nazoke. Vanava angiti. Hey, uyala, hey, Mankwanyane, he's such a fighter. And then they both laugh. Uzethu goes on to say, nefaili yakhe, iyabonisa ukuthi he's gained some weight. Ukfunza ipapa umama angithi khehla. And then she takes the child, she gives the child to umawakhe. uMaNkwanyane takes the child, she's like, waza khehla lami. The child starts crying, she's like, awunqese. Uzethu then takes the blanket, she covers the child. She's like, banda phela la eklinik. uMaNkwanyane then says, Zethu, ngiyabonga. You've done so much for us. Uzethu then says, Sisi, I always say, I'm doing what anyone in my position would do. It's just my job. uMaNkwanyane then says, how class, Sisi. You've gone over and above that. Uzilalelile izikhalo zami. Awuzichithanga. Uyisibusise nje emndenini yakwaKhubeka. Uthunya amadlozi impela. You can see ukuthi uZethu is speechless. uMaNkwanyane goes on to say, yingakho nge ngicela uze lapha kwami uzodla isidlo sasebusuku bandla. uZethu then says, Sasa. And you know what's the ironic thing, guys, is that uMaNkwanyane says ukuthi you are such a gift, you are called or you are fetched by the ancestors to be a blessing into this family. And that's the same thing that Usifiso said to Uzethu when he was asking her to be his second wife. uMaNkwanyane then says, yes, sasa ebusuku. Uzethu then says, angeke ngikwazi bandla. It clashes with my plans. Bengithi ngizolekelela uManqobo. Bengimthembise ukuthi ama-crate lapha anawashwani. You can see, guys, she's just making up an excuse right there and there because she can't face uMaNkwanyane. She's feeling guilty. uMaNkwanyane then says, can't you cancel? I'm sure bandla uManqobo, she won't mind. Ngiyacela bandla. Ufike nje and have supper with us. Uzethu just keeps quiet. uMaNkwanyane then says, hey, get Sisi, usale kahle. She's about to head out. Uzethu then says, bamba Sisi. She gives uMaNkwanyane the child's bag. uMaNkwanyane almost forgot the child's bag. She's like, uzokhona ukuyibamba. uMaNkwanyane then says, yeah, ngiyakhona ukuthi I'll manage. Takes the bag and she leaves. Next scene, a few moments later, we see Uzethu yasebenza. As she's working, uMusa walks in. Musa, guys, he is looking so much better. Shuti, whatever Usifiso has been helping him with really helped. And I guess, guys, that's the whole point of this homecoming show, is to teach people that maybe both of these things can coexist. Isintu plus Western medicine can exist. So Uzethu, when she sees Musa, she's like, Musa, you can see she's surprised. Musa then says, Sis Zethu. Uzethu then says, sawubona. Musa then says, yebo sawubona. Uzethu then says, ubukeka uphilile. uPhindile and uThando, guys, they just rushed out as they see uMatron walking in. I don't know why they rushed out. UMusa looks at uMatron and then he says, Matron, bengisathanda ukuxolisa kakhulu for what happened. Nami empelweni angikhumbuli kahle ukuthi kwenzekeleni kodwa ngiyaxolisa kakhulu mengabe ngikuthusile. UMatron looks at him anyakame, guys. She's like, yeah, khona ukungithusa ungithusile. Kodwa khona into engiyicela ungenzele yona. Uphuze wonke amaphilisi wakho ngendlela efanele. Wenzele thina sonke. UMusa then says, yebo ma, ngizokwenza njalo. Mara you can see UMusa, ingathi there's something he wants to say, but he doesn't say it. And then uMatron then says, do you know what will happen? The next time you come from wherever you come from, ugijima yonke le ndlela, ucabanga ukuthi la, eklinikini yami, yindawo yokusanganela khona. Ufunda ungiqonde wena mfana. Ngiyabona ukuthi awungazi kahle. Siyazwana? Zobophisa mina. And then uMatron just walks away. Uzethu then says, nese Musa, uMatron is still angry. Kodwa uqinisile Musa. Khubeka uphuze amaphilisi akho. UMusa then says, bengingakaze ngiwaphuze. Uzethu rolls her eyes. UMusa goes on to say, Sizethu, yengayohlola kubhuti Sifiso. Uzethu then says, uMusa then says, wanginikeza isiwasho, wanginikeza ukuthi ngigeze ngaso ngiphinde ngiphuze futhi. Uzethu then says, shuthi mina ngidlale ngesikhathi sami. Ngubuya ne eBedville Hospital ePsychiatric ward. Musa, ngiyacela bandla, qala uye kuleya ndawo bazokunikeza i-diagnosis ekahle so that bazokunikeza i-treatments ekahle. UMusa then says, Sizethu, empelweni bengizobonga la kuwena. Angeke ngikhohlwe ongenzele kona. And then he leaves and the episode just ends like that. That is Uzethu all along. She's thinking ukuthi uMusa, the reason why he's looking better is because of amapilisi that she gave him. Musa is saying, listen, I have never drank those pills you gave me. All of these results ungenxa kaSifiso, imisebenzi yakhe nje. Next scene at the tavern, uShwabi, actually Unga goes and visits uShwabi, and then you ask for forgiveness. Ucela umsebenzi wakhe. He's like, listen, there's no one but Shwabi ofuna ukusebenza etavern impilo yakhe yonke. So that's the reason why I stole money from you, because nami I was trying to, better my own life. Ngempela, guys, uShwabi listens to him and he's like, you know what? Ngiyakuzwa. I'm going to give you another chance, but this is going to be the last chance and I have my eye on you. While we at it, bengicela ukuthi ungilungisele iGlobe. So then, as Unga is lungisering the globe, uShwabi is busy talking to him laphana. uShwabi then says, ngaraje mfanam. Unga then says, yebo mphathi wami. uShwabi then says, yabona wena, when you do things, you do them exactly how I want them, mfanam, eh? Yabona mongaqhubeka mfanam, usebenze kanje. How? Ngiyakutshela, utshalwa yimina. Miningi nje imisebenzi esazongena mfanam. Unga then says, usho kanje Prashwabi. uShwabi then says, na. Kodwa ke, I'll be watching you. And then they both laugh. uShwabi goes on to say, yabo, sengiyabona, kungani wenze lento yenzile, even though it wasn't right. Unga then says, yebo, uqinisile. Kwakungalungile neze nje. Kwakuyiphutha lami and ngeke ngiphinde ngilenze. uShwabi then says, hayi kulungile. Shuthi ke sesizobona ngesikhathi. Unga then says, yebo. uShwabi then says, yabona wengaraje. When someone betrays you once, you lose trust in them. Unga then says, ngaxolisa mphathi wami. As they speaking like that, uManqobo uyangena uphethe ujagi wejuice, you guys. Unga goes on to say, as bengishilo mphathi wami, ngeke ngiphinde ngikwenze lokho engikwenzile. So as Unga, he was fixing a globe, as he's jumping down or getting down the ladder, as he turns around, uManqobo bumps into him and spills the juice on him. uManqobo's like, hawe ma ngiyaxolisa. Unga then says, uxolisa mina mama ngiyaxolisa. uManqobo then says, angikubonanga yazi. Unga then says, khuleka. I'm the one who should be apologizing. I was the one who was in your way. Ngiyaxolisa. uManqobo then says, kuyangijabulisa yazi. ukubona abafana bam bebuyelene besebenza ndawonye, and then everyone laughs. Ushwabi then says, well, it's just the way it is. It's just the way us men do things. As Ushwabi speaking there, Unga is taking off his shirt because obviously it's wet. Ushwabi goes on to say, Tina, as a madoda sihlala phansi, we talk things through and then we move on. Uyayizwa leyo nto. uMaNgcobo, guys, she is busy staring at Unga. Phela Unga ne-six-pack laphayana. Unga, unokuzana uMaNgcobo, you can see ukuthi yeyi, she is sabawelling. Unga. Hey bo, Ushwabi then says, hey, mina ngisaphuthuma somewhere and ngizonibona later. Ushwabi gets out. uMaNgcobo is looking at Unga. She's like, ngakusiza. Unga then says, hayi cha khuleka. Ungakhathazeki. Uyabona nje, phakathi kokonota uBra Joe noBra Shwabi, ndapha all my family drama. Yo, Nkosi yami. uMaNgcobo then says, usho uBra Joe, lo khuluma ngaye, ukhuluma ngomashonisa. Unga then says, yebo yena. uMaNgcobo then says, konje ubuthe umkoleta malini? As she's speaking to Unga, her eyes are locked into his body. Unga then says, I borrowed u500 ukuyena, kodwa uma wami uye wanginceda and she paid him 100 rand back. uMaNgcobo then says, bese lo 40% osefaleni wona, shuthi umkoleta mhlambe u600. Unga then says, yebo. Hey, ngingenza noma yini mayazi. uMaNgcobo heads over to her bag, you guys. She starts taking out imali laphayana. uMaNgcobo then says, athi ngikusize ke ngokuvala isikolete sakho. Unga then says, cha, maNgcobo, angikwazi. uMaNgcobo then says, khuleka ngalaje. Unga then says, maNgcobo kahle, uShwabi uzongibulala. uMaNgcobo then says, khuleka, thatha la. Kuningi osisiza ngakho. Nakhu namalayithi uwakhandile nasendlini. There's a lot of things that you do. Shiyakmina. Unga then says, I'm so grateful. Ngiyabonga maNgcobo. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, mina ngiyasibona istrategy samaNgcobo. uMaNgcobo is going to pay this boy because she knows he needs money in exchange for him to, sleep with her. Hey, Unga is in for a surprise. Last scene, guys, uMaNkwanyana is in her house as she's in the kitchen about to make herself a cup of tea. Then there's a knock on the door. She's like, ubani? The person just says, yimi. uMaNkwanyana goes to the door. She opens, kanti uMashabalala. So uMaNkwanyana, she's like, how Mashabalala? Mashabalala just gets in and then she looks around the house, ingati like she's undermining the house. uMaNkwanyana then says, bengithi ngisazilungiselela itiye lana, ngikwenzele nawe. uMashabalala then says, cha, vele angizile uzohlala la. Ngize ngendaba kaVusi. Yabona sengikubeke kwaqada kwindodakazi yami. Nawe ke, ngicela udlale indime yakho yokuthi utshele uVusi ahlukane nokulandelela indodakazi yami kusukela namhlanje. uMaNkwanyana then says, angizwanga. uMashabalala then says, uVusi, umfowabo ndoda yakho, ulandelana nendodakazi yami. uMaNkwanyana then says, we Mashabalala, manje ukhethe ukuthi uze la kwami to insult me ngengane engihlala nayo. uMashabalala then says, mina ngithi cela ukhuze inja yakho ngoba mengabe ikuhlula ngizoyibamba mina ngalezi izandla zami. I'm not scared of a single boy la esigodini. Uyangizwa? Umfana ozoqhubeka alandelela indodakazi yami will curse the day they were born. Ngiyafunga nazi. uMaNkwanyana then says, hayi bo Mashabalala. uMashabalala then says, ngiyakutshela. uMaNkwanyana then says, hayi bo, uyazi ukuthi uVusi uyingane elunge kanjani, uphuma ekhayeni elinehlonipho. If anybody should be concerned about bad influence, it's me. uMashabalala then says, angizwanga. uMaNkwanyana then says, ungizwe kahle. Ngiyawazi amantombazana ala esigodini when they chase boys around. What makes you think that your daughter isn't the one chasing uVusi? uMashabalala then says, we maNkwanyana, uzama ukuthini ngendodakazi yami? Uphanda ukuthini ngayo yonke lento oyishoyo? Uqonda ukuthini maNkwanyana? And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, kodwa uMashabalala nayo iyadelela. Like, why is she coming uzomemeza endlini yabantu? Hey bo, Imagine she could have spoken nicely. And that time, Makwanyane herself, she's against their relationship kaNomfundo and uVusi. But because uMashabalala came to Makwanyane sideways, that's why she responded to her in that way. Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.